used to think programming was only for math geniuses, people who actually enjoyed calculus, people who solved equations for fun. That wasn't me. I barely survived high school math. But guess what? I now make money writing code, and I still don't like math. So if you've ever said, "I'd love to code, but I suck at math," this video will change your perspective, because today I'll show you why you, the math hater, might actually make the best programmer. Showed you, and I'm going to prove it with 5 surprising truths that flipped my mindset from "I can't do this" to "this is what I was meant to do." Let's go. Truth number 1. Coding is logic, not algebra. Let's clear up the biggest misconception in the industry. Programming isn't about crunching numbers. It's about giving instructions to a machine in a logical way. If you've ever written down a to-do list, followed a cooking recipe, told someone how to get to your house, congratulations. You've already done what a function does. Think of it like this. If this happens, do that. If not, do something else. That's logic. That's flow. That's what programming is all about. You don't need a math degree. You need a problem-solving mindset. You know what requires more math than coding? Making change at a cash register. Truth number 2. Coding is a creative career. Here's the part no one tells you. Programming isn't just about building tools. It's about building experiences. Want to design a website that feels like your personality? Want to build an app to help people or solve a problem you care about? That's not math. That's creative problem solving. Programmers are creators. Front-end devs make beautiful user interfaces. Game devs invent whole universes. AI developers teach machines to speak, draw, write. If you're a storyteller, a thinker, a dreamer, you can thrive in code. You don't need formulas. You need imagination and the courage to build. Truth number 3. The computer does the math. Let's say, worst case, you do need math for a project. Here's the cheat code. You don't have to do it yourself. Programming is not about solving math problems. It's about telling the computer to solve them for you. Want to calculate something? There's a built-in function. Need stats? Use Python's libraries. Need data analysis? There's an API for that. You just plug it in and let the machine do the heavy lifting. That's the beauty of it. The smartest people don't memorize formulas. They build systems to do it once, then reuse it 1,000 times. Truth number 4. You already think like a coder. If you've ever Googled how to fix my Wi-Fi, why is my app crashing, or how to write a resume in Word, then you're already thinking like a developer. The real secret to coding success: resourcefulness, not knowledge, not IQ, not math skills. It's your ability to say, "I don't know this yet, but I'm going to figure it out." That's the mindset of every successful developer. And you, my friend, already have it, or you wouldn't be here. Truth number 5. Math was the problem, not you. Let's be real. Most people who hate math don't actually hate math. They hate the way they were taught. Memorize formulas, pass the test, forget it all next week. That's not how humans learn. Programming is different. You learn by building. You get instant feedback. You make mistakes, fix them, and watch your skills grow in real time. It's active learning, not passive absorption. And that's why programming can succeed where traditional math education failed. So let me ask you something. Are you going to let a bad school experience rob you of an amazing career? Coding is the most valuable skill in the digital economy, and you can start learning it today, even if you couldn't pass algebra in the 10th grade. If you're finding this eye-opening, do me a favor, smash that like button, subscribe, and join me as we break every limiting belief, one line of code at a time. Let's recap why you must start coding if you hate math. 1. Programming is logic, not equations. 2. It's one of the most creative fields on Earth. 3. Computers handle the math, you handle the ideas. 4. You already think like a coder. 5. The math system failed you, but programming won't. Here's what I want you to remember. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to know everything. You just have to start. The best coders are the ones who build, fail, learn, and try again. So if you're curious, persistent, and ready to reinvent yourself, coding is your ticket. And your "I hate math" excuse? It's officially expired. Subscribe now and let's build your future, one keystroke at a time. I'll see you in the next video.